Hello everyone. Good morning. It is 9:31, so the market is already moving, or should be moving. NIK just took a jump from 180 to 195, so nice little spike. It's having some issues getting the stream and everything up, so we're about a couple minutes late to check things out before the open, but that's all right. Let's see what's going on in the Discord while we're watching NAK. CCJ has news. Need to shut my door. Move, Prince. I have a Rory sitting on my lap. Oh, hey, look at that. That will hit 198. I actually wasn't expecting it to keep going up. I'm gonna post that if no one else is looking at it. I don't see a post for it. All right, now it's dipping. Oh, we'll probably hop in on this one at the end of this dip. Would have liked to hop in a little earlier, but I didn't have it up on screen when it dipped to the 180. Volumes open it up. And so 2 minutes, 5 minutes. So maybe we'll go in at 192. 192, stop loss. No. There we go. 100. Duh. Don't want to do that. Actually, you know what? What are we doing? Green 191. So we could come in there maybe. Put a buy in for how many units? 200. That's fine. 191. Bidding 191. We should get in soon. Could dip a little more. Let's see. So if it dips, all the way back to 85, I was just about to move that to 192. Okay, let's check our 2 minutes. 5 minutes. Thing's not sitting up. I think it might come down. Well, I don't know. So, get a bid in at bid in for 200 units at 192. That's at 193. Weak candle in the bottom. Still hasn't come back down to 192 though. I don't want to chase this. I don't like chasing stocks. Plus, the more you chase a stock, the less money you make on it when it peaks. We may pull down. Just unsure. You know what? Okay. Why don't we take this down here? Let's play a long game today. So move that down there, and then I'll put another bid in for 100 units. See, now it hit 192. We would have got that, but did we want it? So we got a bid down at for 200 down at 184. My cats won't stop opening my door. Give me just 1 second, guys. Alrighty, I'm back. Hang on. There. Anyway, hey Vix. Okay, so as I was saying, um, Yeah, so we had our bid up here at 200 and we moved it down because I had a feeling it was gonna dip. I feel like it's probably gonna dip clear down back to where it was because that's what this one does, at least in my experience. That's what I've seen it do. So I went ahead and pulled this down because I saw these lines at the bottom. But what I was thinking about doing also is taking another bid for 100 units, putting it up here a little higher. That way I'll have an order for two or for three in total, and I would get 100 of them at a cheaper price right here. And then if it did dip, I could get 200 of them at a even cheaper price, which would average out my cost per share to less. I actually do have an app on my phone that I use, and there's computer programs that you can use too. But what it does is I'll take the price of my current stock, how many units I bought it for, and it'll take the price of my new stock and how many units I'm buying, and it averages them out together. So it gives me a total cost of how much money I have in it, how much my costs per share are, and so on and so forth. So it's really useful. Having something like that is useful whenever you're trying to average out your stock prices. Now there is a chance that this one could shoot up, but I'm gonna wait. Yep, I'm still gonna wait though. I can move me a little there, a little less in the way, I think. Well, now I'm in the way of the ladder. Hmm. Ah, crap. Hmm. I don't know. If the angles on that are weird, let me know. I just wanted to move it off to the side so you guys could see that. Okay, so it did go up. It hit 196. It might hit 198 again. And then it'll probably take a little bit of a dip. I don't know if it'll dip clear back down to here. See, what's it been doing the past couple of days? I haven't been watching it very closely. It did hit 209. I think we sold when it was like 250 though. Somewhere around there for 1 month. We did sell it before it hit 310. 2 minutes is up, 5 minutes is up. Okay, so maybe we'll go in for a 100 unit scalp right here. Now, do we want to go 194? Do we want to go 193? I have to go 194. I won't get it unless it dips to 193. I hate that it does. I hate that it covers up the numbers with other numbers. That is frustrating. Okay, now it is better the other way. Okay. Oh, I did want to check the Discord and see what's going on in there. UNH filing gap, that was 9:35, 9:48. That's about 15 minutes late. Sorry, filling gap, filing gap. UNHG, TSL on a dip. That was at 9:30. Um, TSL closed half. TSLA closed half here in TSL. That was just a minute, about 4 minutes ago. So CCG was I saw a call up for that. I don't recall if it was must have been earlier yesterday for that. I heard a notification. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't my trade right here. So CCG, CCJ, sorry, not CCG, CCJ. Um, that one was 86 earlier, so you made 20 bucks off of it per share, approximately. Oh, hey, Rely. What are you doing, Rely? Hmm, I wish I'd been watching you a little longer. Mm-hmm. Down, 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 up, Hmm. And then, okay. Got a stop loss, take profit set. We may have to adjust this up to a little bit. 16, do I want to get it at 16? Got a bid in at 12. Did already hit there. Going back down. 115. I just don't know. It's like read the future sometimes. Hmm. Do I want to stay right here? It's a penny. Is a penny gonna bother me? Is the penny gonna bother me? No, it's 2 pennies. We'll go up right there. We're within 2 cents of where it's currently trading. So let's see what happens. You make stocks that much more interesting. Aw, thanks. Yeah, I hope it's not boring whenever I'm talking stocks. I know some of it is, but dude, give me my 14. Give me my 114. Do it. And then go up. That's all I want. And also, I don't know what I want to happen with NAK right now. I'm gonna put RELI right there since I'm already in a trade for that. I've got two trades open right now. I'm not in either of them technically. I just have them open. Maybe I didn't word that right. Correct me if I said that wrong. Do want to check open though, because that one does something uh interesting every now and then. It's trading at $7 or $8 yesterday. Still trading at 7 or 8. Open. I'm gonna push open scalp opportunity. Open, been good for scalping last couple of days. So I don't know if we'll get into an open trade because we've already got two open right here. But I did want to see what it was doing. Could still be good for scalp today. At 117. What are you doing to me? Down, 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 down. Do I want to go to 116? Hmm. 116, 2. Don't get FOMO. That one's down. That one's up. And that one's just Going straight across. Candle seems to be weak on both sides. Maybe more weak on the bottom. I'm buying it for 118. I'll go 116 at the most, but I'm not moving up to 118. Sometimes I feel like I just spend the whole day chasing trades because I refuse to buy them in thinking they're going to dip. Or I buy them in too early and then they do dip even more. Zim's up a dollar or two from yesterday. I think it was 14 bucks when we looked at it yesterday. LITM, that's another group favorite. That one's running at 426. American Rebel, AREB, it's at 178. I have a feeling that something is going to happen with this RELI trade before my NAK trade. Though, oh, I still need to fill out my mining and metal list. I have intentions to categorize a lot of these stocks based on what they do, just to make it a little easier to search through certain sections of the market. Because I have my favorite districts. District, is that the right word? Maybe not. Anyway, sectors? I think that's the right word. I have my favorite sectors, such as oil and gas, natural resources. Renewable resources, I'm interested in that, but the energy storage systems, I'm not thrilled with. So I guess I would like to see some improvements on the long-term storage of these batteries and such. These big, big batteries. Because like once they're bad, they just kind of I'm pretty sure they just slowly poison the environment. So we need to figure out how to fix that. Let's go on 117. Okay, I think this is not coffee. This is actually protein, protein powder type stuff. So I might actually need some coffee because I'm getting a little bit sleepy and I keep yawning. We may get in this trade just here in a second. Just gotta dip a penny. I don't want to come up a penny though. I said I wouldn't. Is it being stubborn or a smart trader whenever you refuse to come up that penny? It's weak on the top, weak on the bottom. No, it's not. Now it is. Okay, fine. We'll come up a penny, but no more. And it might honestly be partially because I want to just get in a trade. It's already 10:02 and I'm not in anything. I have two open, refusing to settle, and has not made me money, but also not lost me money, so. Okay, we came up your penny. Take it. Take my penny. All 100 of them, or 200 of them. Take my $2 and give me, I don't know, four. That'd be cool. Give me $4 back. I'll take it. Guys, it's not taking my penny. These dudes standing in front of me just hogging up all the 17s. VERO 52-week low, down 4% to 209. Then I get outbid. Okay, that's pointing down. That's pointing up. Mm, we'll just stay at 17. If it starts looking, I mean, we probably won't get a chance to pull down from 17, honestly, if it starts moving downward real quick, because we're like right there. 5 minutes is down though. I don't like that. 2 minutes is up. 1 minute is up. 119. So I don't want to get it for 119. I want to get it for less than 119 because if I get it for 119, there's a chance I won't make any money on it. At least not for a quick scalp. I could hang on to it and eventually would go back up, but how long do I want to hold on to it? That is the question. Give me my 200 units and then go up. That went all the way down to 112. The 2 minutes is still up, 1 minute still up. Okay, so we got in. We have our stop loss all the way up at $1.33. which I'm not expecting to get, but we have it up there. 5 minutes is dipping. So we could have pulled our stop loss, or not our stop loss, our purchase price down to, well, I mean, it hasn't dipped below, as of right now, it hasn't dipped below our purchase price. So maybe we couldn't have gotten any cheaper right now. We'll just have to wait and see. Hey, look at that. I like that. Now I'll go up and up and up and up. That would make me happy. So every penny, I think, is $1. Every penny it goes up, I make $1. No, that's the wrong direction. Don't you dare go down to 110. I will be so mad. I'll be so mad. Get back up there like you're supposed to. See, that's what I was worried about. That's why I was like, I don't want to get it yet. I don't want to get it above 116. I was being a big baby about it. But if I had just continued to be a stubborn little baby, I would have bought it at 116. And I would not be down $2. Now, another way to look at this is, uh, if this were 2,000 units instead of 200, I would be down, I believe, $380 instead of $3.80. So, like, if you want to figure out how much money you would make if you did that trade on a larger scale, you can just times it. It's yep, lost the words. I will try to re-explain that better. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. What are you doing? Oh, we're definitely not going to wait for 101 though, so we're going to pull up our stop loss in case this one completely tanks. I'll lose $5 and be angry about it, but I'm not gonna. But I'm making some funny faces right now. Now, let me check on my NAK trade real quick. And look at you just going up and up. Okay, so we'll put in. I could probably do another bid for. I should have put a hundred unit bid right there. I just didn't. Just looking at both trades. Nothing's happening with NAK for me right now, so I guess I'll look at this one because this is the one that's costing me $8. No. No, on the opposite opposite side of this. I bought it in here at 117. So if it does go up to 330, more profits than losses. More profit gain than loss potential. So that makes me a little happy. It just needs to go the right direction. Stop it. Why? Why do you want to be there? Don't make me lose $12. Oh no. Shh. That just happened. It just stop lossed me out. I'm just gonna watch this for a minute in frustration and accept what has happened. Ah, watching it's gonna go back up now. Okay. Now I need to not be mad about this, and I need to figure out if I want to hop back in another trade. You know what? What did I do? It was 200 units. It's at $1.09 right now. 2 minutes. I mean, the arrow's still pointing down. I suppose it could dip further. I'm not expecting it to, though. I was expecting that the 110 to be the low point. Then I was like, it might get a little lower. So I'm like, it's fine. We'll just adjust for 108. And we did. And then it dipped to 105. Ah, frustrating. But you gotta move on, because if you sit there angry at it, you're not gonna make any more money. So, okay. No, we're going 100 units, 1 to 9. Mm. And if this trade goes red, we're not gonna bid any more money on a relay today, because that's gonna make me angry. I don't want to get mad. No sense in getting mad. It's a buy interest. Really low buy interest right now, though, because it is so low. I don't know if I should wait. It's got 2 blue candles, 2 minutes blue. 5 minutes is still red, but yeah, now I'm already. So I lost 20 bucks on that first trade. So 106. We're not getting it for 109 again, though. We're gonna try to flip these. How far down can it dip? Could dip all the way to 88 cents. Not expecting that, though. Okay, so it's 106 right now. Technically it's 107. Those are both down, though. Do I want... Still want units at 106. Could continue to dip further. I've got my stop losses, but like if you just keep losing profits, it's not that they don't matter. Numbers there, so I wish those would just move over there. Is there a setting that I need to? Well, all right, we'll go 108 and not go up any higher than that. So I don't want to just keep buying into this for more and more and more. Purple's still down, but yellow is way up there. Well, if I go up to 109, I'll pay 109 for it because I have it set to limit, not market. Fine. And then it tips. Just punch someone in the face. All right, bring that up. Maybe not actually to 107. I don't lose that much on it. Okay, pull those up a little bit. Just gonna come down a little. It's gonna irritate me if I get stop lossed out of that before it moves up anymore. Okay. So give me a little bit of time to think about this trade. CCJ is still up 20. Um, oh, I gotta call it for Oklo. Might scalp a few trades. AMD. We just okay. Okay, I'm done with Rely today. I'm done with Rely today. That made me very upset. Okay, maybe not very upset. I'm not happy. I'm not about to throw things, but I'm not happy. Stop loss out of that trade twice. That cost me 40 bucks. So, we're gonna look at something else. NAK, which trading at 202, 204. We're gonna pull that up. I got a bid in there for 184. I'll be right back, guys. I'm unfamiliar with this one. I was just looking in the metals and mining, and I happened to see it, so I'm kind of looking at it. 5, 130, 130, 105, 96, 151. Uh, Not for NUE. At $1, 7, 18. Okay, so it regularly hangs out between 16 to 30 bucks on the low end. I'm gonna add this to my watch list. I'm gonna post about it in the Discord. Huh. I I thought I had added that to the wrong watch list, but I guess without even thinking about it, I added it to metals and mining. So that's cool. Is that under? Sorry, under watch list. NUE. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and add these to my metals and mining list. $20 billion, 20 billion, 32 billion. Okay, maybe not these two. I'm gonna ask a question. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add all of these to my metals and mining section because I know they're all mining companies. I will need to go back through and do a little bit of research on each of them. Well, I guess I don't want to spend the whole day looking at that. But that's something that I've been working on doing slowly but surely, adding mining and natural resource companies to my watch list. Look at that volume chart. Oh, is that on the, are we still in the max? Yeah, we're still in the max. Like, wow, that is crazy. You know what? While we're watching NAK, why don't we see if we can get the music working? This is still market. So NU, I believe, NUE is a steel market in North Carolina, if that's what she's saying. So she says steel market North Carolina weekly chart trend change back for to the bulls. Nice daily EQ breaking bulls and pretty nice IHS on the weekly as well as neck breaking bull. Good looking chart. Steel companies in America will benefit from DJT policies. Uh, she says that that's in her opinion, but if policies are pushing for the success of American steel companies, then you should expect them to succeed. At least I would expect them to succeed. It'd be pretty hard to fail when the policies are all pushing for you to do better. So, you do have things like EPA restrictions that stand in the way of mining companies. So, there's also that to keep in mind. I need to heart that. Thank you. I don't know, guys. I put the bed down here because I figured it would dip again, but it just never seemed to. I mean, that's good for the health of the stock, of course. Just was expecting to get it on a dip, and I haven't yet. Well, it's got a lot of buy interest. It's just not moving very quickly. I'm talking about NAK, by the way. We were just looking at NUE. We're not anymore. NUE, I think I might be able to get it for like 80 bucks on a dip. So we'll try to grab a few shares of that at that time. I just can't make up my mind whether or not I want to hop into this trade. Okay. Well, since I am unsure of what I want to do, I feel that perhaps I should just hold off. Um, I don't think a person's gonna make smart decisions when they're just guessing. So we're gonna call it a day for now. Tomorrow we'll have to make some of those losses. So our goal over the next week is to probably make about 240 bucks back because that's our total losses over the past week or so after we took that hit when NAK dipped. We still haven't made a recovery from that, so we're gonna have to work on that. But anyway, I hope that everybody has some green trades. I hope that everybody's been successful today, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.